Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can play One Piece card game. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC or laptop and search for Untap. Open the first website and make sure to log in using your account. After logging in, you will be redirected to the home page of your account. Here, click on Create Deck and again click on Create Deck after typing its name. Now start by adding cards into your deck. You can do it by searching for them in the search bar. Add required cards and make sure to drag and drop the leader of your deck at the top. After that, save the deck, click on New Game to start playing using that newly created deck. And that's how you can play One Piece card game. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.